Watcher, bugger it's hot, please send cold beer. So today I'm going to take you through how to fix your Neff tall standing fridge freezer. Probably the same with a small under counter fridge freezer as well. There's a drain plug at the bottom of it which fills up, sometimes it gets blocked, and then the water fills up the very bottom section of the fridge, goes to about a centimetre deep, overflows, and the first I know about it is when I start getting track marks on the grout, on my tiles in the kitchen. I'm sure other people you might get a little puddle coming out. I'm going to take you through how to unblock that today. Let's go in and I'll show you what to do. So this is my kitchen, that's my tall standing fridge in the corner there. And if you see, it might be difficult to see in this light, I've got dark grout. You can see they're quite dark, but then it goes wet. You can see there's water here, and that you can see it shining, the water runs along the grout. And you can see it turns dry again there. This is what I get. I get a track mark coming up to my fridge. And what happens is I've emptied out these bottom two shelves. The section underneath here fills up with water. So let me take those out and I'll show you what I mean. So we start off. What's going on? What's going on? My arm's being dragged up. My arm's being dragged up. Oh. Ice cold beer. First things first. Ice cold beer. That's better. Now that I've been replenished, let's get on with the repair. Right, let's make way for stuff. Oh, hello. There's a bit of a theme going on here, isn't there? So this shelf here, this comes out. Just push those little tabs to the side, and it unclips. There's a little hole on each side that clips into the glass tray. We'll remove that. Be really careful when you're removing that, because those little tabs can break off. They broke off once, and I might get replacement ones. They fit onto that little bobble thing there. These drawers, these come out by just lifting up something into it. When it's in, lift these drawers up, get those out. You'll see what I mean about them breaking. So it looks like one of them's broken off, so that drawer's probably broken. Now, zoom in here and you'll see what I mean. You can see the water, the track marks coming down the back there, but look, that literally fills up with water. So what I tend to do is get a towel and put it down on the floor. So I just throw a towel down on the floor, push it in there so that will catch any major drips that happen. Get myself a plastic bowl, because you're going to want to catch what's going on. So let me grab a bowl from the top of the freezer, fridge, here. Put that down there. And then, for me, it's just a case of, you can use tea towels, or you can just use kitchen roll. Throw down a load of kitchen roll, soak it up totally, put it in the bowl. Probably can't see that well. Let's get out of there. So we just need to get this water. Soak up all of this water that's down here. Make sure we soak all of the kitchen roll, put it in there. We'll keep doing this until we've got all of it. I'll fast forward this bit, you don't need to see everything that's going on here. Okay, we only have one more roll of kitchen roll left, so I switched over to tea towels. Now you can see I've got the water out of the bottom and off the plinth. Now I'll take you inside. So inside the fridge you'll see there's a channel that runs down the back. You can put your finger in there and a hole. You can see how blocked up that is. Now, if you look at that hole, you're going to get an earbud and stick it down there. Just one of these cotton wool buds down there should do the trick. Oh, I'm sweating again. I need another cold beer. So this just fills up the junk. You can see if you stick that in there and just squish it around a bit. You can see the water's flowing away. Just get your fingers in there. There, look, you can see it's gone now. All the water's gone. We've unblocked that drain hole. Clear out the junk. How junk like gets in here, I don't know. It's just the water that, when it condenses, it runs down the back of the fridge. Oh, you can see the water marks on the wall there. Runs down the back and falls into that hole and blocks it up. So let me give this a bit of a clean up. Make sure that the track and the hole is all clear. And that's good for another year or so, however long it takes. Generally I do this about once a year, I guess. And then we put the bits and pieces back. And a little short video. That is how to recharge your batteries with a nice cold beer on a day when you've got 33 degrees C. And that'll fix your fridge. Oh, is this thing still recording? Oh, you're there. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Tell your friends about the videos I produce, the Handyman videos. Now, we are Essential Handyman, over and out. See ya! Watcha, bugger it's hot. Please send cold beer. So today I'm going to take you through how to fix your Neff tall standing fridge freezer when it overflows. There's a drain point in the bottom which fills up with water. You get about ½ inch of, excuse the wasp, whoops,